exclusive subdivision. If you are looking for a property na 3 years to pay ang down payment, nasa exclusive subdivision, walang flood, and elevated yung area, please continue to watch this video. And behind me is our townhouse model unit with 3 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, 1 carport with living and dining area. But before I go inside, guys, allow me to show you your community, no? So this will be your community, guys, no? So, makikita mo mahangin, no? Kita mo yung mga flags na nararamdaman natin yung hangin kahit natirik yung araw. And also, we have a complete amenities at that area. Meron tayong clubhouse and swimming pool. And also, we have an available single attached. It's either 2-story or 3-story na single attached. So let's check our model unit. Let's go. So this will be your parking space, guys. And you have a pocket garden at this area. Ayan, you know. And by the way, upon turnover, this is a fully finished turnover. Ibig sabihin, may tiles, painted yung walls, may partition yung mga rooms, you know. So this is your living and dining area. So this is perfect for OFW, tsaka yung mga small families or mga bagong kasal. Now, this is a perfect investment for you. And also, if you wanted to invest for rental business, this is also a good one because malapit siya sa simbahan ng Antipolo and also malapit siya sa Lasal, Antipolo. All right? So this is your kitchen. So part ng turnover is the countertop. And kasama na rin yung tiles, guys, sa turnover. So we have here your service area. And of course, your common toilet and bath. Alright, so at the ground floor, guys, what I love about this project is meron siyang bedroom sa may ground floor. Ayan. Okay, so kung meron kayong elderly or medyo challenge sa kanila na umakyat sa second floor, this unit is best for you. Okay, so akyat tayo sa second floor. Let's go. By the way, meron tayong 2 bedrooms sa second floor and 1 common toilet and bath. Alright. So this is your common toilet and bath. So gusto ko lang i-correct, you know. So live tayo ngayon. Meron tayong 2 toilet and bath and 3 bedrooms, no. So this is your bedroom 2. Ayan. And we have here your bedroom 3. Okay. So ganito na rin yung turnover ng mga windows, no. Malalaki yung glass windows for natural source of light. Ayan. All right, so guys, if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below or message us through Viber, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Once again, this is June Carlo, your property host, helping you find your home.